Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be showing you the easy way to set up a caulking gun. Now before we jump into today's video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos and discounts on your first order. If you're not sure how to set up a caulking gun, don't worry, you're not alone. We've had many requests from other people to make this video, and it's because people want to save on DIY costs. So let's jump in, shall we? Most of your caulking guns will look very similar to this, and they will have the same uses. The caulking gun is designed to hold a tube or cartridge of silicone, but let's show you how to do this. So let's start with a tube of silicone. First thing you want to do is cut off the tip with a Stanley blade, and then when you've done that, just simply place on the nozzle and screw it on the top like this. When you've done that, you want to get your caulking gun and you want to pull the plunger all the way out like this, holding down the button as you do. When you've done this, you can then grab your tube of silicone and then place it inside the caulking gun. Now push this forward until it meets the back of the tube. When you've done it, you can squeeze the handle and then this will release the silicone onto your desired surface. You can apply silicone to all different areas of your bathroom or house. Everything you've seen in today's video is available to buy. All you've got to do is click the link in the description to go straight to the products. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, guys, on how to set up a caulking gun. Don't forget to click subscribe, and why not visit us on our website here.